Presido Buhari don't receive Nigerians when collect national award for Niger Republic. President Muhammadu Buhari don't throw a salute give the president and people of Niger Republic as them take awards from Nigerians with Ogbonge national award. Presido Buhari talked this one when he received the award recipients for thank you visits. People when receive this award now Ambassador Babangana Kingibe, Governor Ismail Balabuni of Yobe State, Abubakar Sani Bello of Niger State, Badaru Abubakar of Jigawa State, and Abubakar Atiku Bagudu of Kebbi State. Abubakar Atiku Bagudu, when Chukma to Tori people, say President Buhari happy to see them and contact the neighboring countries as them take recognize Niger.
President was quite pleased and he showed appreciation and happiness that all neighboring countries, Benin Republic, Cameroon and Chad, in terms of building relationship with Nigeria, and he showed appreciation in particular to President Bazoum. He appreciated the honor. He felt it was all well justified, and it will build better relationship between the two countries, and urged us to reciprocate by working harder.
Governor Atiku Bagudu constitute mouth for the APC presidential campaign.
Our presidential candidate Asuaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu has been coming out very, very clear, campaigning on issues, explaining what he will do more to build on some of the successes that have achieved, to also deal with the new challenges that have come up as a result of experiences of the last 7 years. Luckily, we are campaigning on some strong track record: infrastructure development, agricultural development, gains in security. Our party has fought elections fair and square. We work hard. We don't have a sense of entitlement. We go to elections appealing to Nigerians, communicating and presenting our credentials, performance, and even where we can do better, we acknowledge, we humbly before Nigerians that despite working well, but maybe in some areas more needed to be done.
Omoaluke Ajakaye, TMC TV News. Make una remember, see your PVC and your power. Not say I'll give any politician an election day.